So today, looking into the uh, MetaQuest 3 camera API, which just dropped a few days ago, more or less, as an experimental plugin for developers. You can grab the sample project off of GitHub. The reason why this is actually really huge for developers is because previously the MetaQuest wouldn't allow, let's say, a Unity developer to have access to the camera feed from the Quest. What's interesting is the object detection, which they're using the YOLO model, which I've used with my Jetson Nano. So if I sit down at my desk, some things are being identified here. We have a monitor, we have my laptop, and my monitor sort of behind each other, in front of each other. But it's pretty interesting. The fact that it's running locally on this device is pretty cool. This is wine glass. That's fairly correct. I like to call it a goblet or a chalice. Shader sample. So we've got this shader sample here with some water caustics, which I'm actually super psyched about because I love doing water caustics and I've never been able to put caustics on one of these headsets. The reason why this type of shader is really important, I think, is once we get to multi-object detection, when you're identifying people, for example, you'd be able to use a shader to blur out their faces. So I think this is the making of some sort of privacy related things, which is good that they're at least building into the infrastructure some privacy related stuff. Um, but yeah, anyway, it's pretty cool. But I think where it really shines is with the object detection. This is going to be really huge for different types of mixed reality applications. And yeah, as I've always kind of said, the Quest 3, I view it as more of a test bed for future platforms that will possibly replace smartphones. So I'm talking mainly about the form factor of using glasses as your everyday communication device. So running YOLO on the headset, pretty cool. It's not getting too hot. I'm just touching the headset. The fans aren't really, maybe a little bit. Um, but it does seem to be running at a manageable pace. Um, so yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you think. Do you think that AR glasses that are based on prototypes from this software, do you think that those types of things like AR glasses are going to replace the smartphone? I don't know. Let me know what you think.